Hey, Maria, I think we've hit a snag. The machine just turned out some parts that don't look quite right.
Really? Did you check the batch number?
Yeah, it's batch 2109. Something feels off. The measurements are a bit out of spec.
Good catch. We definitely need to issue an NCR for this. Better safe than sorry.
NCRs again. Feels like deja vu. Last month it was the bearings, now this.
Well, you know what they say. When it rains, it pours. But we can't just sweep this under the rug.
True. Should we stop the line?
Yes, absolutely. Let's quarantine the affected products right away. No point in adding fuel to the fire.
All right, but if production grinds to a halt, management won't be too happy.
Don't worry. It's better to hit pause now than to ship faulty parts and have a bigger mess on our hands later.
Fair enough. I guess an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure.
Exactly. We'll document the deviation, investigate the root cause, and keep everyone in the loop.
What do you think caused it this time?
Could be a calibration issue, or maybe the raw material wasn't up to scratch. Let's not jump to conclusions until we dig deeper.
You're right. No use crying over spilled milk until we know what spilled.
That's not quite how the saying goes, but I like your version.
Hey, I'm just trying to lighten the mood.
Well, keep the jokes coming. They make these hiccups easier to handle.
Deal. Meanwhile, I'll alert the maintenance team to give the machine a once-over.
Perfect. I'll draft the NCR and flag the batch in the system so no one accidentally moves it.
Sounds like a plan. Let's get this sorted before it snowballs.
Agreed. With teamwork, we'll nip this problem in the bud.